Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So I had my diffuser, but I needed some essential oil. So I was really glad to find the Lagunamoon Essential Gift Set. It's 6 essential oils. So you have your peppermint, your tea tree, your lavender, eucalyptus, lemongrass, and my favorite, orange. Because during the day, I need something that's going to boost my brain and keep me awake. At night, definitely eucalyptus or lavender. So let's see. This is the orange, and I like to mix them. So I've poured a little bit of that in, just 2 or 3 drops. That's what you have to play around with because sometimes it's way too much. I did the orange, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of the lemongrass. Make sure. Yeah, just a couple drops of that, just to have a mixture. And then put my diffuser lid on. We'll see where we are. Like I said, these are awesome. And we'll see what we do. This is so nice and refreshing, and a little bit, as you know, for essential oil, it goes a long way. So when you're ready for a good gift for someone or something to give yourself, look no further than the Lagunamoon Essential Oil Gift Set, and that's my point of view.